covered in cobwebs and creepy. These spooky cakes for Halloween are scary delicious and so easy to make. Here's what you'll need. A box of chocolate cake mix. Devil's food is the witch's preference. And a container of chocolate frosting. You'll also need some chocolate sprinkles and decorative sugars and maybe some edible luster spray for a really black cake and rock candy pebbles for the graveyard. For the cobweb cake, you'll need marshmallows, and for the skeleton cake, chocolate skeleton molds and white chocolate. Both cakes start with a cake pan that shapes the cake into a coffin. If you don't want to frost it, you can spray it with that edible luster spray, or you can melt one container of frosting in the microwave for 35 seconds and then pour it all over the cake and just let it run down the sides. Then shake some chocolate sprinkles over the cake and make the skeleton. Melt the white chocolate and pipe it into the molds. When the creepy body parts have hardened, build your edible skeleton one limb at a time. Add some rock candy dirt and make no bones about it, you've got one spooky treat. But we're not done yet. There's more hocus pocus to be had. With the second cake, spread the melted icing over top and make the cobwebs. Add about 3 cups of mini marshmallows to a bowl and microwave for 30 seconds. Give it a good stir and then grab the marshmallow and pull and stretch it right over the cake in random designs. Add as many cobwebs as you like and top with a skull. Finally, add a happy saying. I'd say these Halloween edibles really take the cake. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.